Oh my gosh, couple goals. But then I cried a little bit at that. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. Chocolate and a card. Hello friends and welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday today and I had work from 7:30 until 12:30. Now it's midday, I finished work and I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want, which is my favorite thing ever. If you guys watched, I think 2 vlogs back, I talked about how I was feeling and I kind of just like I had a heart to heart with you. And one of the things that was like annoying me about my life was how many hours I was getting at work. I just wasn't quite getting enough. I had way too much free time and I just wanted to be working more. My manager just gave me an extra shift and extended 2 of my shifts. Well, what do you mean? I'm so happy. I get along really well with the manager that I'm talking about and she's just great, and she literally said to me, every shift that comes up I straight away look to see if you're working, and if you're not I give it to you. And I just like really appreciate that. She knows how hard I work and how much I need these hours. So I'm just like on a high right now. I calculated my hours. I went from like 15 to 30 hours. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, yes. But as I said, it's 12:30, so I'm gonna go home, probably eat some lunch and then go to Zaraffa's and get some editing done. Hi friends, oh my goodness, I've looked like this all day. Shout out to my housemates who still love me when I look like this. I just came on here to update you all for no reason. It's Tuesday today and I've had the day off work and I've just like had a good day. I had a really chill day. I woke up this morning and I edited my vlog. I uploaded that and then I made some lunch. I watched a movie on Netflix because I could. I hung out with my housemates for a bit and Izzy was getting ready for work and I was lying in bed watching some Netflix and she came into my room and was like, Georgia, David Dobrik uploaded a video called We Broke Up, and I was like, oh my goodness. David uploaded a video of him and Liza literally just sitting down and saying why they broke up, and it was such a good video. Like I think they did so well, and I think that it's really good that they're really looking after themselves. So mature of them for how they've handled this situation. But I've watched the video twice now and I bawled my eyes out both times. Like I'm such an emotional person. If I see someone crying, I instantly, like Waterworks, just turn on. I just bawl my eyes out. Then I went to my subscription box and Emily West, also known as Colbert Emily but now Emily West, she uploaded a vlog. Basically she filmed a video last year called A Message to My Future Self, and it was basically just like how she's feeling, what she's scared of for the future and stuff like that. And she reacted to it in the vlog and like holy moly, it was just like really good. I low-key want to film one. But then I cried a little bit at that because she's just like come so far and now I'm just like an emotional wreck and I look like this, which does not help at all. But all of my housemates are at work and I'm just chilling. Woohoo! I am all dressed for the gym. I will give you a quick little OOTD. If you guys want to see what I wear to the gym, just let me know. I mostly just wear tights and oversized t-shirts because what I'm comfortable in. So I have on this massive men's t-shirt from Puma, obviously. I've got on these khaki leggings from Kmart. You really can't see the color of them well in this lighting. And then as always I have my Nike shoes on. Woo! Let's go work out. I'm sorry that literally the only clips I filmed today I've looked like an actual mess, but I just finished up at gym and that was hands down one of the hardest sessions I've ever done in my entire life. I don't know why, but I was like really struggling to breathe, and we had a lot of like burpees and like running and like jump squats, and I was like, I can't breathe. So it was really hard but really good. These ladies just put up right next to me. Oh damn it. I swear the only time I ever talk to you is in my car. I apologize, but it is currently almost 3 p.m. and I had work today from 7:30 until 2, and then I literally just stood around in the cafe talking to one of my work friends because it was my last shift with her ever, because she's literally moving from Brisbane to Canada. She's moving to Canada to be an au pair and I'm genuinely so sad. Like she was my favorite person to work with, but I got a Snapchat, we're friends on Facebook, we can FaceTime all the time, but like I'm just so sad. I'm gonna go home and I'll chat to you later. It is Thursday morning and now I'm gonna go to Zaraffa's and get a coffee and edit because I'm just like, I've said this 10 times before, but I'm way more productive in a coffee shop. I don't know why. I think it's just like the environment around me really affects how I work. So I'm really excited to go get a coffee and get some editing done. Let's go. This is my OOTD for family dinner night. Woo!
Oh wow, she
oh my gosh.
Wow. Can you do it? Don't have to play it. I don't think I can do that.
Close Can we put Kendrick Lamar on? Will that get demonetized?
Oh, Izzy! Oh! That ain't right. Oh!
No, do skate's worms. I am very impressed.
That looks really hard.
Hey, really short. No one likes to show off.
Quality content. Like and subscribe.
Sure, I'll vlog for you. This is what couples do.
Fly up. Kidding, it is.
Oh my gosh, guys, I went to uni. Guys. I went to uni. And I went to the bathroom. No, I went to the bathroom and went to the bathroom. And I walked out and I got to my next class and then I realized that my phone was down. Okay, sorry. That was incredible. This reminds me of the stool thing that we did at my old house. Were those stools? One of them. One of them. Oh my gosh, couple goals. That was incredible.
Impressed.
Whoa, chill. See you later. Good night.
It is Friday today and I had work from 7:30 until 4:30, so I was at work all day. But while I was at work, this girl called Taylor came up to me and gave me chocolate and a card. See you in there. Hi Georgia, my name's Taylor and I watch your YouTube videos. I came here shopping with my mom and saw you working and felt like doing something nice for you. Hope it's not too odd. Your YouTube videos bring me so much joy to watch. Please never stop making them and being your authentic self. Thank you so much Taylor for coming saying hi. Your pants looked awesome and you just, wow, thank you so much. I'm gonna eat this chocolate now.
Look at my outfit. Okay.
It is currently Saturday and normally I have soccer on Saturdays and Saturdays are like my favorite day of the week because I just get to do so many great things that I love. But today I worked from 9 until 3 and I came home, I took my makeup off and I hopped in bed because I was so tired. And I just watched some YouTube videos and then I got up and cleaned my room a little bit. I'm actually currently passing some time before my brother Bryce comes and picks me up. We're gonna go out for dinner together. We're gonna go have sushi. I just don't leave the house for leisurely activities anymore. That sounds so weird. If I'm hanging out with friends, I come home and hang out with my friends. So I just don't go out and eat dinner with friends and just catch up over some good food. I just don't do that anymore. So I was like, Bryce, what are you doing? Let's go get dinner.
Goodbye, sushi.
Oh, hello.
So tell me, do you want